What up, y'all? We got a surprise for y'all. But before we show the surprise, you guys go ahead, go check out our last video. We did a review with Treys Sr20. It was pretty sick. And now we're back at the house. Same day.
Yeah, I might need some help.
Yeah, Kayla said it was heavy.
Dude, this box is pretty heavy.
I'm surprised you got it in here. Alright, you guys, time for the pre-reveal. Here we go. Damn, man, you better show off those games. If she can bring this in here, so can you. Now, if y'all already know, or if y'all don't know, what's in this box, I've been waiting for it for a hot minute.
You've been waiting for it?
Yeah, it's my Garrett Turbo, you guys. Let's open it up. I don't got no goddamn turbo. It's a knife.
What is that?
Alright, guys, these are my coilovers. If you don't know the story, I've said it like 50 times. I'm not gonna really say it again. My old coilovers got lost or got stolen.
If you haven't seen that video, go check that video out about JJ's coil getting stolen.
Yeah, I'll put a link in the description on that. These just came in literally like 20 minutes ago.
Right while we were doing Treys shoot.
Yeah, right when we were doing that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get straight to it. I'm just gonna open it. So, compilation mode. Bam, let's go. Jimmy, you trying to one.
You cut my hand off. Watch out. Damn.
My dumb ass, I'm over here cutting it. Here we go. Bam. What are those? What are those? These are called shocks and strumps, aka coilovers.
Oh shit. Whoa.
Oh, I got endless. Oh, cool. Yeah. You know, all right. I'm gonna get into why. I'm gonna get into about the company and all that here later. Let me just take a second and be patient, cause I know some of y'all are paying. Let me look at what I bought. All right. These bitches are heavy. God damn. Aftermarket. Fuck the gym, fucking work out with these bitches. More end links, perfect. Alright, so here, let me actually open one of these up for you. So, a little bit about the coilovers. They're made by a company called Max Speed Runs or MSR. They're not a popular brand because, alright, here, I'm gonna give you guys some tricks and tips on how to save money on building a car. So when you're buying coilovers or any, you know, the basic car parts, you know, like suspension, exhaust, wheels, stuff, you know, basic stuff like that. There's companies that come out with stuff and they're brand new to the game. And since they're brand new, they have to build up a reputation. Since they don't have a reputation, they have to sell their parts for a low price. You see what I'm saying? So I found this company online and I heard good things about it. Oh dude, I can adjust my camber. Oh, that's perfect. So I bought these coilovers. Originally they're only $400. No, right? $400. What? Are you serious? $400, JJ? I don't think these are gonna work. They're gonna work. So these coilovers
are his first pair of coils ever.
Oh yeah, they do. You know, you don't know. I'm running springs right now. Once I get these installed, if you want to buy my springs, shoot me a DM on the Street Fighter page. If you don't, or shoot me a Snapchat. Don't follow the Snapchat or the Instagram.
You can reach us on Twitter as well.
Oh yeah. Just be sure to follow the social media. You can hit me up on that. Or shoot me an offer. I mean, there's no such thing as a low offer. So shoot me an offer. We could talk about it. This is pretty cool, man. I was actually really worried that they weren't gonna have CVs, right? Yeah, if y'all don't know about this is where you can adjust your camber if you're going lower. Typically when you're going lower than like 2.5 inches or even 2 inches, you're gonna have a lot of camber. And
like I have.
Yeah, like Jason has. I typically don't want that. So pretty hard on the tire. It has its benefits, but I don't want it. So I got these right here to adjust that, which is good. New end links. Which I was like, man, I don't know this company. I don't know if they're gonna send new end links and stuff. So I was worried I was gonna have to buy some new ones, but they're nice enough to send me some of these. But I might have to go ahead and buy a new pan hard bar to go along with these. I'm not sure. I have to do more research, but this is what we're looking at right now. About the install, I'm probably shooting and installing probably in like the next, like, realistically, like 2-3 weeks. I'm gonna get in touch with Trey, the 240 dude, or our friend James with the Subaru, see if they can pull some strings, because as you guys know, we're on a time crunch for Texas 2K.
Yep.
And I really don't feel like messing with my suspension and dealing with the wide body all at once.
So on top of this, he still has to get in alignment with the new coils, gotta get his wheels and tires.
Yeah, all that's about to be on the way though. Yeah. Don't even worry about it. Man, I'm just fucking so excited that I finally got these. My first pair of coilovers, guys. I feel like I'm holding the Heisman right now. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know springs are cool, but everybody knows that coilovers are just the better way to go. Nothing wrong with springs, is you know coilovers are just better in general.
Until someone yells, "Oh, well, bags are."
No. Bags are better. Bags are better than coils. I like the static life, but you just can't beat bags. Once these are installed, I'll give a review on these, see how they ride, because I don't even know how they ride, to be honest. I just know that I wanted my fitment to be good. So if my fitment's good, I'm not
A1 fitment.
Not gonna really, you know, shot, you know, woo, you know what I'm saying?
Woo.
Yeah. Alright, Jason, close it out.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. We have another video coming up on should I say?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I'm getting tuned tomorrow, bitches. Gang, gang. Alright. Let's get it!
My hands smell like mechanic hands now, dude. It's crazy.